Hi, it's camera retention harness or camera retention wire. It's mostly for the Toyota Kluger car or Toyota Highlander car. It's called Toyota Kluger or Toyota Highlander from 2007 to 2014 mostly, like the second generation. So they have a small screen for the camera. So when you and also a normal radio when you install a stereo like an Android stereo to your car, so they have their own camera. That stereo mostly come with their own camera. So and if you don't want to install their own camera, because the car also has its own camera, factory fitted own camera, so you will need this harness. This called camera retention wiring. Its number is APVTY05, like that. So you know the small screen of your car, the video is small, I think 2" by 3" small screen. So it will go to there, and like they will bypass, they will take the wiring for the back camera of the factory to the aftermarket stereo. So this one end will go to your car, that small screen plugs, sockets, and like this will go to the okay, this will go to there, this will go to the small screen. Okay, and for the wiring video, this will come out, and this will go to the stereo one. So when you put the car in reverse, so it will show the reverse video in the big screen in the aftermarket stereo, and it will not showing in the small screen because you cut this out. Okay, if you want to install another additional camera, then you can give it to this one socket. Then you can also see in both the small screen and the big screen, you can see the reverse view, the reverse video. So mostly in the small one screen, people put additional camera, but to the trailer one. So when you install additional camera to the trailer, that doesn't mean you will need the trigger wire or no, because that will be always on. Then you can put that trigger on that additional trailer wire or campaign wire to this here. So then the small screen will show the reverse video of the trailer when you attach the trailer to your car. And this the trigger wire for the factory fitted camera. When you put in reverse, so this wire will go to the pink wire, mostly this pink wire of the aftermarket stereo. So when you put in reverse the car, this trigger wire will work, and the video will go to the big screen through here, to this one, through the male connector, and this female connector for additional camera if you want to install to your trailer and take connection to your car and connect to it. Yeah, so it's called the camera retention harness, a camera retention wire for Kluger or Highlander car 2007 to 2014, the second generation. It's mostly for $16 in eBay Australia. Some people also sell it for $45. You can also check this in Autobahn also, I think they sell it for $30 or $25. It's like that. But if you check on the eBay, it's mostly like $16, and you will get in 2 to 3 days to your home. I check it on the Amazon Australia, but nobody sell this on Amazon Australia. I have checked this and it's working properly, very good. Thank you.